Welcome to Maths with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
Hello, now we just see this particular problem here which says a man can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find the speed. Suppose here, find the speed of rowing in the still water and the speed of the current we have to see. So, what we are going to see for this is one of the very important sum. Whatever been asked, we give X for that. So, speed of still water and speed of the current. So, I am going to take, let the speed of man in still water. So, speed in still water we can take, or speed of water in still water, speed of rowing in still water, which is x kilometer per hour, and speed of the current be y kilometer per hour I have taken. Now, whenever we go downstream, water also flows, so it will be always added. Still water is getting added to the speed of the current. This is always in the downstream. Whenever we see upstream, the still water minus upstream, because still water will be always greater than the upstream. So, this always you remember, better you remember this way, always take the still water first. Always go with the still water first. Now we can take speed of downstream. I told you downstream means add both. First always take the still water. Now, speed of upstream, x minus y kilometer per hour. Now, distance covered. So, we can take distance covered downstream, which is 20 kilometer given, and time taken is also given, which is 2 hours. So, by this we know very well the speed distance formula to put, and we can get the particular thing, what is our requirement. So, now I am going to say here. So, what is speed? Speed is nothing but speed is equal to distance by time. So, if I take for downstream first, speed of downstream is x plus y and distance is 20 divided by 2. So, which will be my first equation, which I can clear it easily. Now, we take this equation and clear, we will get the first equation. So, you can cancel. So, my first equation is x plus y is equal to 10 is my first equation. Now, for the second one, we had already taken speed of upstream. Speed of upstream was x minus y kilometer and distance covered is 4 kilometer. Time taken, suppose if I call it T2, 2 hours. So, now upstream. Speed is equal to distance by time. What is the speed? X minus y, which is equal to 4 by 2. So, second equation is also ready for you. So, from equation 1 and 2, now we can easily solve this particular one. So, what we are going to do? So, you can say from 1 and 2, equation 1 is this, equation 2 is this. Now, you can cancel it. 2x, 12, x is 12 by 2. So, you will be getting 6. So, x is equal to 6. We can find y also using any of the equation from 2. X minus y is equal to 2. X minus 2 is y. 6 minus 2 is y. Y is equal to 4. What are these? They are kilometer per hour because we are talking about the speed here. Please don't leave the answer like this. In the board exam, you require to conclude your answer. So therefore, please say that speed of rowing in still water, which is x, 6 kilometer per hour, and speed of the current, which is 4 kilometer per hour. Please leave the answer like this.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
This is one more very important sum, usually where we get confused. 8 men, 12 boys can finish the piece of work in 5 days, while 6 men, 8 boys can finish it in 7 days. Find the time taken by 1 man alone and 1 boy alone. So this is also called time work. Sums on time and work. Whenever such a thing is given, days, we take per day what is the amount of work is done. Suppose if 5 days are taken by a person to finish the work, per day what will be the amount of work done we are going to take. Let us try to solve this. Same type of the sums we can even solve in many. So this is one of the very important things. So whatever is asked, we give the variables for that. Let 1 man alone finish work in x days, I am taking, and 1 boy alone finish work in y days. So, if 1 man alone finish the work in x days, in x days there is 1 work is done. So, whatever per day work is done, it will be 1 by x. For x days, 1 complete work is done, 1 whole number, 1 work is done. What is per day? 1 by x. That is what we need to take here. So, what I am going to do here, I will say then 1 man's 1 day's work or per day's work will be 1 by x, and similarly 1 boy's per day's work will be 1 by y. Suppose if I take here, both of them together will finish the work in 5 days they have given. So here first 8 men per day work will be 8 by x, and next is 12 boys per day work will be 12 by y, because 1 person does 1 by x day, 8 person will do 8 by x. So we got this much now. So we are going to just put this. Now what is the thing we are getting? We got this much. 8 men per day work is 8 by x, and 12 boys per day work is this much. 8 men plus 12 boys together finish the work in 5 days. Suppose per day what is their work? So per day 8 men plus 12 boys can do 1 by 5. So 8 men, 12 boys per day work is 1 by 5. So what you are going to take? Per day work, alone 8 men what will do? Alone this what will do, and together they will be doing this much. This I can call it as my first equation. This we call it as our first equation. This is my first equation, and similarly we can do the second one also in a same way. So 6 men per day, 6 men per day's work, what it will be? 6 by x, and 8 boys per day work. This will be 8 by y. Together per day, how much they will do? 1 by 7. So my second equation, this if I call my first, 6 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 1 by 7 is my second equation. Now it is simple. We know whenever we have variables in the denominator of the same type, here also. So what we are going to do? So we are going to take 1 by x is what? 1 by y is what? So I can say here, let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So I call it as 8a plus 12b. This one please put as it is 1 by 5, because many people will put this as 5, because I am only taking 1 by x and 1 by y. That's all I am taking, not the rest. And this will become my first equation, and I am turning this as the second. If you want, you can give other names, and you need not have to give the names here for which. Then finally you can give 1 and 2 for the whatever the thing we have got. Now this is no more required for me. This much is my requirement. So we continue further with this. So from 1 and 2, this is 8 and 6 and 12 and 8. Suppose if I multiply this by 6, this by 8, take the common factor. Both will be divisible by 2. That means this will go by 3 and 4. So you multiply first equation by 3, second equation by 4. So what we are going to get? This is 24a plus 36b. This will be 3 by 5 we are going to get. Again this 24a plus 32b. This is 4 by 7. You are multiplying 4 into 1 by 7. So please remember that. Change the sign. Cancel. This will be 4b is equal to 3 by 5 minus 4 by 7. So what we got here? So we do here. So we got 4b is equal to 3 by 5 minus 4 by 7. Take the LCM here. So 7, 21 minus this is 5, 20. Which is 1 by 35. B is 1 by 35 into 4, which will give me 140. What is B? B is 1 by y. So we can just go with that and take. This is not necessary now for me. So now I am going to say what is B? But B is 1 by y, which is 1 by 140. Which implies y is equal to 140. What is y? Number of days taken by boys. Number of days taken by boys alone. Now we can go and get the value of a and find that also. So we just make some space here. Okay. Now I just take any of the value. A we got. B is equal to 1 by 140 we have got. So use that in any of the equation. From equation 1, 8a plus 12b is 1 by 5. And 8a is equal to 1 by 5 minus 12b. 1 by 5 minus 12 into 140 we can take here. And on division, what we are going to get? This is 4 3s are. And this will be 4 3s are and 5. So now we will just continue this further here. I just remove here. This is not required. We just remove this, and this one I'll keep it over here for further thing. Now here what we are going to get? 8a is equal to 1 by 5 minus 3 by 35 we got. 8a is equal to. So 8a is further 35 will be the LCM 7 minus 3, which is 4 by 35. So what will be A? A for me will be what is A? A is equal to 4 by 35 into 8, because this 8 comes down. 4 2s are. So A is 1 by 35 into 2, 1 by 70. But what is A? A is nothing but 1 by x. We know that. So we just have to substitute the values and our answer will be ready. So what is A? But A is 1 by x, which is 1 by 70, implies x is equal to 70 days. This is the number of the days taken by mn. Now just conclude your answer. So conclusion is only the thing left out. So we have the value of y and x both we are having. So just conclude your answer here. I'm just deleting this part. Okay. So therefore, one man alone can finish work in 70 days and one boy alone can finish work in 140 days. That will be your answer, and this is one of the most important. We do one more sum that is also very important. This is one more sum in a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Here we need to know what is cyclic quadrilateral and property. You people are already know if you have a circle and a quadrilateral in which this is called cyclic quadrilateral, where opposite angles are supplementary, they get added up to 180 degree. That is the main hint here given. So you just write in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Opposite angles are supplementary. Angles are supplementary. So write that. Therefore, A plus C. So whenever you take a quadrilateral, it will be something like this. So opposite angles will be A and C, which will be equal to 180 degree, and B plus D will be equal to 180 degree. So we get this in a simple. Now you have to just substitute and find the values. What is A? A is 2x plus 4. C is 2y plus 10, which is equal to 180 degree. You can just leave that now degrees. So 2x plus 2y will be 180 minus 14. 2 can be taken common factor here. So what we are going to get? 6, 6, 1. So we get x plus y is 166 by 2. 2 8s are 2 3s are. X plus y is equal to 83 will be the first equation. Now we can take up the second equation and try the values. So what will be the values? B plus D is 180 degree. What is B? B is y plus 3. D is 4x. This is minus 4x minus, that is 4x minus 5, which is equal to 180 degree. So I write 4x plus y is equal to 180. This is minus 2, taking here 2. So 4x plus y is equal to 182 is my equation 2. Now we just take the equation 1 and 2. We can continue with our normal way of solving the linear equation. So now this much we can clear it up. Now we just see what we can do further here. Just we directly do it from 1 and 2. You can say this is 4x plus y is equal to 182. Directly I can just subtract here. On subtraction y get cancelled. So we are going to get minus 3x. This is minus. We are going to get 99. Negative negative goes. So x is 99 by 3. So 33. Therefore x is equal to 33. We can use up any of the equation here. From 1, x plus y is equal to 83. Y is 83 minus x. Y is 83 minus 33, which will be 50. We got the values of x and y. You have to just substitute the values of x and y in A, B, C, D. You will find the answers of individual. So when you substitute a, here a is 2x plus 4. Substitute x, you will be getting a 70 degree. You people can try and see. You will be getting the same answer here. On adding, there will be 180 degrees. So these are the answers. This is one of the important thing.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any particular sum to be solved, put it in the comment box. I'll try to make a video on that.